Hello, my Cancer Leo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of August 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Weave to Live family. Apologies for outside noise interference or flash on the cards that could disturb your eyes, and because this will be a collective reading, for a few it may resonate, for a few it may not. If this reading resonates with you by any means, let me know in the comment section, but if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love, you don't have to take things to your heart. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, you need to hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. Let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. That would be from the 1st to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Okay, let's go. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We begin with traveling, adventure, beyond illusion, creativity. So, finance flow is coming towards you. Okay, you are going to travel, success is embracing, good news, pregnancy adoption is there. Whatever you want, you can achieve, stable connections are building up. But beyond illusion is trying to say, live in the reality, stick to reality. There is a part of you that you are believing in assumption world, which is why it is trying to say, don't think about it. There is something beautiful. Okay, reality itself is beautiful. So, calm down. Okay, you need to bring in a balance is what it's trying to say. Do not, the yin and yang energies have gone for a toss. So, chanting mantras, breathing techniques, meditation will help you in calming down and will tell you what the reality is. Okay, so stick to the reality. Now, let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Thunderbolt, the Fool, trust, understanding. If you do not practice that, there is a lot of anger issues. Okay, remember the shake-up is meant to happen, because what is happening is it's like, a bubble burst, how somebody triggers you and then you kind of just end up screaming your lungs out for whatever reasons. So maybe that is why there could be people who could deviate away from you and will not understand, but they are there to help you. So what is it trying to say? That you need to trust. You need to step out of your comfort zone, because you have people who are trying to reach out to you. Remember, every day is a new beginning. Learn from your experience. You can always start afresh, even though if it's a shake up. Remember, it's in your brain. Okay, it's your logical brain. Else you are quite, it's like, your base is strong, but it's only on your head surface where everything is coming up. Allow it to happen. It's a process. Again, it's a temporary phase. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Control, master, participation, aloneness and integration. See, the yin and yang energy is not balanced. That's why you have a tendency to get aggravated. You need to let go of that. You need to avoid controlling people or situations, because remember, this is how life is. Okay, gain clarity, avoid being sarcastic. Something good in your family celebrations are coming up. If you're missing somebody, call out. Don't give up. Learn to pause, reflect, and then take an action. You are the master of your life. If you can see, your higher self is trying to give you the answer That's why universe is also blessing you. So you need to work on yourself in the last 10 days. Now let's ask your angels, what guidance can we have for you in this month? Go for it. Again, you can see the unicorn, which is trying to say that you need to take control of your life. Whatever you want, you can achieve. Just go ahead, because your angels, spiritual gurus, everyone is supporting you. Now, reading for your love life, please. Seduction, dragonfly, and not today. Avoid any arguments. Maybe it is not the right time to take action. Avoid love bombing or getting one night stands, or third party. Maybe that is what it's trying to avoid, trying to tell you. Learn to be adaptive, learn to be light-hearted. That's how your relationship can be enhanced. Now let's ask universe, what's next for you in this month? Concern need not be of scary, but it is also trying to tell you that if there is anything, get a second opinion. Health, relationship, finance, counselors, healers, doctors. Okay, also do not ignore yourself, is what it's trying to say. So how should I sum up this month for you? Don't take things lightly, is how I will sum up. Why? Because when you live in a bubble, you start assuming, and then you take things for granted. Whereas in reality, just trying to say things are meant to happen. It is a pattern that is trying to teach you. Okay, so you can break the pattern if you start living in the reality. Finance is coming towards you, happiness is embracing, spiritually you will grow, but you need to stay connected with your higher self and be calm from within. Your angels are asking you to just take that leap of faith. At the matters of heart, avoid getting into a third party or having arguments. Okay, maybe it's not the correct time. It's just trying to ask you to be flexible and be adaptive. Do not take things lightly. It could be a matter of concern for a few. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.